Hey YouTube, Alert the Average here. Well, my first video for my channel is going to be unboxing this Angelus Direct paint. This package just came. We're going to be doing an unboxing, so let's get into it. Alright YouTube, we're going to get into this now. Alright, first color I pull out, we got some red, fire red. Next, we got some silver, some flat black, some yellow, pale yellow, matte finisher, orange, flat white, green. We got these two things of glitter paint. Just a bit of thing, custom with that, light gray. Got some purple, some pink, like light pink, and we got give box blue. Alright YouTube, that's all the paint I have from the unboxing, except for that one. But we're gonna actually do more videos. We're gonna be doing these customs of these alternate 89s. I'm gonna show you these right there. Customizing them today and posting the video on them tomorrow, maybe around 5 or 2, because I already did one of the sneakers. They're almost done, and I don't want to show you just because I want to show you tomorrow. But that's it YouTube. We're out.